Hey friends, who's thirsty? Rosemary and Gin Grapefruit Cocktail is sure to become your new favorite adult beverage. First, we have to make a rosemary simple syrup. Don't worry, it's easy. In a medium saucepan, combine 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1 sprig of fresh rosemary. Bring the water to a boil over medium heat, then allow the simple syrup to simmer for 1 to 2 minutes until the sugar is completely dissolved. Remove the pan from the heat and leave the rosemary in the syrup while it cools. Once the syrup has cooled completely, remove and discard the rosemary stem before serving. Now for the cocktail. Fill a shaker with ice, add 2 ounces of gin, 3 ounces of ruby red grapefruit juice, and 1 ounce of rosemary simple syrup. Place the lid securely on the shaker, then shake vigorously for a few seconds until everything is combined and the cocktail is chilled. Strain the cocktail into ice-filled glasses, then garnish with a fresh rosemary sprig.